This is the device from AliExpress, and this is the box. This is the device module. So it pretty much comes with power cable. I have already installed this module in my car, so I don't know, it's stuck over here. It's fine. So all you have to do is plug it over here. So you can see that everything is attached over here. Two harness, a couple of wires. Those are not necessary unless you have a reverse camera, and this one is probably for the mic. And if you see down over here, there are a couple of dip switches over here. Majority of them are preset, but I'm gonna tell you later on. So there's an antenna over here. It's inside my car at the moment. I'm gonna show it later on. So two wires that comes, the two cables. It comes with this module. So what we're gonna do is, you see this one, the white one. We're gonna plug it inside first, right? See this one? We're gonna plug it here, right? So it's ready to get plugged in the car now. I've been wondering what is this for. This is for the USB that you could use to upgrade the software whenever you need it. So I'm gonna show it later on. So we gonna remove these two nuts over here. Right. So first try to take it out. Right. Then after that, we'll try to move this one. There's two under here. I'm gonna remove this one as well. So after this, when you remove 4, 1, 2, 3 or 4 nuts from here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna remove these two screws from here. So you need the screwdriver. It's pretty much easy for you. So another part is this. So you're gonna remove this one as well. So gently put your fingers down over here, okay? And so what we're gonna do is now we're gonna recline the seat. See? So we're gonna remove the carpet first. Take the carpet over here. So we're gonna remove these two bolts from here again. Try to keep it in a safe place so you don't lose it. We have two more on the rear side. We're gonna bring this down over here first. Gotta put this back. Bring the carpet like this. Nice. So. Wash. So we're gonna remove this tray now. So you gotta be very careful when you're removing the trays like that. Right. Finally, we have reclined the car seat. You can see the Range Rover module, Harman, and this is our module for the CarPlay. So it's a simple plug and play. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this one and remove this one. Only two of these. First, you're gonna clip it over here. See? Gently. Gently. Not gonna damage any wires. Put it on the side over here. Remember this one and this one. So you gotta clip it over here. Underneath. So these both original cables are from the original device. So the idea is what we're gonna do is now we're gonna bring this. I'm gonna show you now. We're gonna do male to female. This one, see, from the original harness is going to go inside of here. Sorry. I think it's clipped in over here. And another one. It's gonna go inside. Right, gotta be very careful with the wires. Right, I think it's done over here, so we're gonna check it later on. Now see this one. What we're gonna do is you see this one, we're gonna put it inside. Plug in, the original goes over here, and that one, the white one from here, we're gonna tuck it in the down over here. So the device is ready. So as I told you in an earlier video that I've got an antenna over here as well that I've already placed inside the car. So this is down over here. So I've tucked it inside over here. So it should not touch any metals on it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna tighten this up now first. Right. I think I'm gonna give it a go now. I'm gonna install the. Let's see. How the CarPlay is. You see that it started to connect the CarPlay. It means that everything is pretty much fine. You see whether it's gonna connect. See, right? It's connected, right? See, everything is ready. What we're gonna do is we're gonna place the device now. Down over there. Right. So be careful with the wires, make it a little bit tidy. Okay. Right. Let's be tidy over here. So everything is done over here. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna put things back. What we're gonna do is, right, we're gonna put this one, right. This after put in this tray, we're gonna tighten this thing. Right, so I've already done it before. What we're gonna do is we're gonna put the carpet back. It's gotta be very careful with the carpets because there's a lot of wires on it. So we're gonna put the clips. Yeah. Right. I'm pretty much damaged this one. Right, so we're gonna buy a new one in the eBay. Right, this one. We're done now. So this one, put it inside. This one goes back over here. Right. Right, gently, not gonna damage anything. Right. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna break the car seat down over here. So I put everything back. The car seat has been put back as well. I reassembled everything, so it looks nice, tidy now. So we're gonna check the car. We're gonna check the carpet now. I'm gonna run the engine first. Right. So you can see that the CarPlay has started automatically. The reason it was already connected with my phone. Right. So everything is working. The Google Map is open there. WhatsApp. It's a setting over here. So it's pretty much default over here, so you don't need to do anything. Just go back to CarPlay. So if you wanted to go back to the original screen, all you need to do is you have to long press over here on the steering wheel. So it takes you back to the original screen. So if you wanted to come back to the original screen, CarPlay, sorry, you have to keep it over here as well. Simple as that.